Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Juliette Joie de Vivre. So today I'm showing you guys a little of what's to come for my backyard space. We moved here in February and we've been working a lot inside the house, but the backyard space is so beautiful. Maybe I'll do a little walk around so you guys can see it, but it needs a lot of work. So stick around and check out this video and let me show you all the plans I have for our backyard space coming soon. Okay, so the first thing you see as you walk out is this kind of covered patio area. That's the first area I'm going to start working on. And then it kind of turns into this green grassy area. That's just over there. Let me come back this way. And as you walk over here, don't mind Soleil's toys. They're always all over the place. So this is where the backyard barbecue area is. That will be gone all one day. It's really dated and we want to definitely renew that and make that more modern. And this will be our more sitting area where I want to eventually put dining, outdoor dining, seating, dining area for eating. You just make the food there and then there's the dining. And then here is another grassy area that we need to work on the grass, but it's pretty large and this whole area definitely wraps around. There's a lot of greenery. So this covered patio zone is where I'm going to start working on right away. And you can see here that it's been painted a really interesting color. It's like a maroon. There's brown and red tones, so that really has to go. I'm not feeling the color that the original owners had going on here. And this kind of patchwork, I don't even know what it is, but it just reminds me of this Flintstones. There's this Flintstones detail tile. I don't even know what it is, but that's all gonna get filled. I'm gonna have to fill in all the cracks and then paint all of this. So that will be the first thing to do to just get the base. First things first that I'm gonna have to do to create the base for this outdoor space is changing the color. In no way am I feeling this maroon color, so that definitely has to go. Filling in all the gaps in that kind of detailing they have here on the tile. So just making it more even and flat and then painting over that with a more neutral color. And then next, I'm definitely gonna have to put a big area rug. The space is fairly large. If you can see it, so this space is roughly 10 feet by 10 feet. Roughly, didn't really measure it, just kind of walked it out with my feet. So I'm definitely gonna have to probably get a 8 by 10 size rug to fill in the space. And so that's going to be right here in the middle, just completely filling in the space. So the furniture I actually decided to go with is from CB2. You guys know I love CB2. If you haven't seen my CB2 haul video, go check that out. Because CB2 is my jam, and I just love it, and I can't get enough of it. So yeah, I decided to go with CB2 for my outdoor furniture. Just waiting for the airplane to go by so you guys can hear me. There's an airplane moving. Okay, so, hi butterfly. Okay, so for this loungy area, I'm going with a 3-seater that I'll probably put right here. A 3-seater, or maybe right there, just depending on what side will work the best. So I'm doing a 3-seater with 2 chairs, 2 standalone chairs. And then in the middle, we're gonna have right here, in the middle of the conversation, we're gonna put a fire pit. So yeah, let me show you guys the choices I've gone with. And then next video is when we're actually going to get into the nitty-gritty and start painting. I don't know if you guys have been ordering furniture lately, but things are definitely backed up. So if you guys are moving in the fall, start ordering your furniture now because there's a 3-month wait. If you want to get your furniture in September, order in June for it to arrive in time because things are just so backed up. With that being said, my furniture from CB2 will be arriving mid-July. So I'm going to paint first, and then hopefully the furniture will arrive when it's supposed to arrive. Okay, so here I have the layout of what everything will look out for you guys who are visual and just want to see what we'll be putting together in the next couple of weeks here. So yes, so we are working with the base of the rug that I'll link everything to in case you guys are interested in some of these items. Everything will be linked in the description box. So yes, I have that rug that I'm loving, and it's an indoor-outdoor rug. So if you guys are interested in this rug, it works in both places. Then we have the 3-seater chairs. Most of the main furniture, like the 3-seater chair and the single chairs, those are from CB2. And I linked those as well. And in the middle, we're working with the fire pit that is from Wayfair. So that I actually had in my old house, so this is not a new purchase for me, but I just love having a fire pit there. It's, you know, it's ending the night there. It's just so nice to have a glass of wine when I'm not preggers, for sure. So we have the fire pit, and then for greenery, I'm working with topiaries. I love, love, love the look and vibe of topiaries, like the rounded little bush. So these are artificial, and they're actually from Amazon. So you don't have to worry about watering these at all. They are artificial and they'll just sit there forever and look good. I love, love, love the rounded look of them. They just look so chic and so modern. So that will be the greenery that I'm working with in the space to just add a chic, modern vibe to complete the space and add some green so it's not completely neutral. And last but not least, I am adding a poof. This is a black braided jute poof that I can move around just for extra seating. You know, if I need to, I can move it in the house, and then of course it'll stay mostly outside. That's where it's gonna live. So yes, I hope you guys are loving the way this is going. If you guys want to see more, please be sure to subscribe, comment below, and like this video, and come along. Let's see how this backyard project turns out. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.